Hey guys, welcome back to another random Georgia legal thing edition with me, Kira Abernathy, and now we're going to talk about custody. We've talked some about other areas and we've talked around custody, but what is custody? So there's two kinds. One is legal custody, which means you're a parent. We've talked about legitimation. Dad has legal custody. Congratulations, you're legally dad. Not just biologically dad, but legally dad. Same with mom. Now, moms generally get legal custody when they give birth to the child. They're both bio mom and legal mom. So congratulations, moms. You can get those rights taken away. That's what's called termination of parental rights, and that terminates your legal custody to a child. So that is legal custody. Second custody is physical custody. Physical custody just means where the child lives. So some of you guys may know this on your income tax returns, right? Unless you agree otherwise in your divorce papers, the primary physical custodian, the person who the child is with, 51% of the year versus 49% of the year, gets to claim them on taxes. That's just a, federal thing. Caveat, I'm not a tax lawyer, but, that's the law as of the filming of this post. But yeah, that's physical custody, where the child lives. Where does the child live? Which parent does the child live with most of the time? That would be a primary physical custodian. The parent that the child lives with, 49% or less of the time, is the secondary physical custodian. You can also see you have a tertiary, I guess you could say, physical custodian. That's possible if there's like a grandparent involved or something. But that doesn't mean that grandparent or physical custodian has rights, legal rights. So you can actually have your legal rights either terminated or not granted and actually be granted physical custody of a child. Very interesting. So there are two types of custody. So usually when people say, hey, I want primary custody, they're mostly talking about physical custody. There are some instances where one parent comes, maybe mom, and says, dad's really bad news. Dad hasn't been alive. I want to terminate dad's right. I want primary legal custody. That is rare. You have to cross a high standard to stop legal custody, but physical custody is different, right? What's in the best interest of the child is what the court looks at for both kinds. And then, physical custody, it really depends. Can you guys agree on, a parenting plan? Can you guys agree on when the child is with you or the other parent? That depends. And if not, well, then the court's going to decide what is best for the child. They're going to look at a lot of different factors, school, the proximity of how close or far away the parents live from each other, extracurricular activities, ties to the area, does the kid have step siblings that they need to hang out with one parent or the other parent? They're going to look at a lot of different things. So anyway, that's what custody is. There's two kinds, legal and physical. And most of the time, I honestly deal with a lot of both. So anyway, that is our random Georgia legal thing for today. I hope you'll have a great one, and we'll catch you next time.